Yeah, mic check. What's up? What's up? Welcome to South Communist motherfucker. It's your boy Savage Low. I'm a South Communist motherfucker, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm just gonna put some shit. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, it's your boy Savage Low. Black Rat Crips. I'm saying, got my alongside notes. I'm saying, I'm gonna get it cracking, motherfucker. That's what's happening. I'm gonna get it cracking, motherfucker. Yeah, that's what's happening. I'm gonna get it cracking, motherfucker. That's what's happening. I'm gonna get it cracking. Yeah, that's what's happening. I'm gonna get it cracking, motherfucker. That's what's happening. I'm gonna get it cracking, motherfucker. Yeah, that's what's happening. I'm gonna get it cracking with this bitch. Yeah, that's what's happening. I'm gonna get it cracking. Okay, I'm gonna get this party started, cause everybody's face looks like somebody has just spotted. I'm on United's really just recorded, so I took it upon myself to get this party started. I'm lyrical messiah, setting the roof on fire. Don't need no water, just let that motherfucker burn. Gather the ashes, put them in the urn. I see you itch to rap, but you gotta wait your turn. Fire I can burn, when will you learn? You're just a pest, like an ant or a fucking worm. I'm looking for a blonde like Holly or Fern. Willoughby and Cotton, I'm so rotten, haven't forgotten. I'm from the bottom rose from the top. Savage still up in this bitch. I'm the cream of the crop. Can't stop, won't stop. 2 shots from the block. That's what you get when you fucking with niggas on my block. I can't stop and won't stop, cause I'm a fucking crit. Savage still up in this bitch. And yeah, I'm freestyling this bitch. Yeah, cause I'm gonna get it cracking. Yeah, that's what's happening. I'm getting cracking all the time. Yeah, that's what's happening. I'm gonna lace this beat. I'm gonna call it. I'm gonna get it cracking, motherfucker. Yeah, Savage still. That's what's happening. What's the school? Call Uncle and a chicken captain. I'm my cousin K1. Yeah, that's what's cracking. Can't forget about Lion Man. Yeah, that's my cousin. On the other side, see this Jones and Bell. Savage look up in this bitch. Yeah, Omega Bell. That's my other cousin. That's a Sherlock. That rap Crips up in this bitch. And we ain't no joke. They call me the hangman. I'm hanging niggas up by the fucking throat with a fucking rope. I don't give a fuck. I'm a fucking low. It's the motherfucking. They call me the Savage. Living life, and I live so lavish. It's a motherfucking what? Call it the South Cam. Speed is drinking up, but I take the truth. I don't give a damn. Yeah. South Cam Hot 1, Savage local in this bitch, Northwest Manny Man. Yeah, what? Savage local in this bitch. Put your hands up. Oh, yeah. Once again, it's on freestyling all the time, man. Yeah, it's in the zone. I got a full blown fucking cold. I don't give a fuck, I bear my splits from flip mode. I got a fucking cold, or maybe it's a fucking flu. I don't really care, I'm still representing for my crew. With my fucked up voice, I don't really give a shit. It's a Savage Low, BRC, that's my fucking kit. Yeah right, listen up man, listen up quick. It's the motherfucking Savage Low, up in this bitch. BRC, that's bells running clean. Savage Low up in this bitch, and I'm part of a team. A supreme team, remain when we ride clean. Savage look up in this bitch, I ain't even got no lean in my cup. Nah, I still gotta fuck it up like a piece of paper when you fucking rip it up. Right, the Savage low, it's the Sav Cam. Savage look up in this bitch, yeah, I'm the bad man. Oh, get it cracking. Get it cracking.